Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's like 11 o'clock at night, maybe 11:30. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a challenge. I gotta try to eat this whole pack of cough drops, which is 20. Yeah, 20 cough drops in less than 5 minutes. Let's get her done. What? Turn that light on. Or put a second one in. Number 3. Dude, my spine tingles every time I take a bite of this. I can't keep chewing these. I can't do it. Hurts so bad. Got some more right here. Oh boy, I still got a lot more. Okay. Oh my god. My spine. Ugh, every time. I don't think it's healthy to be eating these like candy, but whatever. 2 at a time now. Still got all these left. Once this video hits 520, it's the end of it. Four in at one time. Ah. Oh my god. Bruh. It is so bad. Mm. 20 seconds. I lost. If I wanted to put them all in my mouth at the end, I probably would have done a little better. But at the end, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 10 cough drops left. So I ate 10. Alright, guys. These are all going in the garbage now because they can. Well, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please hit that like button. Sub if you enjoy this content, and leave a comment down in the comments, obviously. Tell me something to do for the next video, please. And I will make it happen. Thank you guys. Peace out.